The secondary air pump is located at the front of the engine under the engine cover as indicated by the red arrow. Remove the front cover by grabbing it at the front and pulling it up and off, red arrow. While you could technically replace the pump with the air ducts and the rear engine cover on, give yourself some more room to work and remove the ducts by compressing them away from the air filter inlet, red arrow. With the ducts off the engine cover, air filter inlet, slip them off the air duct at the front of the engine, red arrow. The pump, yellow arrow, is connected to the airbox by a hose, red arrow. Lift the rear cover off and the hose will separate from it. With the engine cover off, remove the hose from the front of the pump, red arrow. Disconnect the hose from the left check valve by pulling it off with your hand, as indicated by the red arrow. Remove the electrical connection from the rear of the pump by squeezing the tabs and pulling the connection off, red arrow. Use a T25 torque and remove the 4 bolts, red arrows, making sure to pay attention to the length as the bolts are different. With the pump free from the engine, you can lift it up off the right side check valve hose, as indicated by the red arrow, and out from the engine. You will have to remove the air pump from the mount that connects it to the engine block. Use a T30 torque and remove the old pump and install the new pump to the mount, as indicated by the red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.